Hot dog, are you hiding in the shade? It's too hot out here, huh? I'm headed out here because the farmer says, bring the camera. What's doing, farmer?
Putting down some weed cloth. Yep, so we have this woven, whatever it is, some kind of plastic, I guess.
Hi.
But it's the woven cloth. It's marked every foot with that green stripe.
No, I didn't realize that's what that was.
Yep, those are 1 foot marks. I got the 10-foot wide roll. Let's see, so far our length is about 45 feet. And I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lengths rolled out so far. So that's under 20, that's just over 2,000 square feet, I guess, somewhere around there. So I've got this stretch left to do, and then about 2 more rolls. Charity's pounding in my staples for me.
You're helping.
Show us those staples. Look at those.
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
Kind of like making sure a tent stays in its spot when you go camping.
Yep. Yep, so that's her job.
Got the hammer.
Got a hammer. Sometimes they're hard to get in.
Yeah, I have to go.
Boom. Yeah, got to do a big hit on it.
Yeah, but sometimes I miss and sometimes I don't.
Well, you got to practice, and then the fence is off, so.
What fence? That doesn't look like a chicken fence.
It's not, it's goat fence.
Goat fence.
Yep.
Keeps the goats
It
in.
might keep some chickens in, but
They probably
maybe
go
not.
through the hole. But the goats aren't over here, so what's the goat fence for?
well, it keeps the dog out.
It's a dog fence.
Yeah, it's a dog fence.
Because he'd have fun with all that plastic.
Well, he was having fun with the garden.
Yeah.
He thought it was this big, huge sand pit, and he was digging all over in it. So it totally wouldn't have worked to have him loose with the garden like it is.
No.
So we had to do something about keeping him out of the garden. Put one in right here. Staple.
Right here.
Yep, push it in. That's not gonna work. How about a big hit? Oh! Come on, there you go.
I'll stake it in.
I mean, my foot's not going to work.
Stand right on that
Oh. Well.
Came up a smidge short.
You know, I'm glad you overcame it,
What?
being right-handed.
Oh, thank you.
He's gifted.
Can I do that?
Hi.
Can I do that? Da, 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 da. Hi.
Louder. I don't know, this might be a...
You holding down the fort?
All I need is a cold, cold, cold milkshake.
A milkshake. Oh boy. You too, huh?
Oh, oh
For
man.
not having the camera on. Do it again. He says no. No. Okay, let me out. Okay. Bye. Have fun on that side of the fence.
Okay, bye.
Now.
I am going to harvest some lemon balm, but I need something to put it in first. This will hardly do. And I need some scissors. Hi, hot dog.
Where are you gonna put it?
You still deciding what to do with that thing? The dog wants to play with it. No licky. It's like, I'll eat the dead cat.
And that'll be my funnest thing I have. So look out. Make down, Mom. What are you doing?
I'm gonna go cut the lemon balm down. To find some shade so you can see me, because that spot is not working. It is hot out here. Oh right, the farmer's got his project done, and if you saw our video last week of our greenhouse tour, you saw all of our plant starts, our spring cold crop things. They really need to get in, but it has been so wet until now that we haven't really been able to get out into the garden space. So I am going to harvest the lemon balm because it is the only thing I can do right now in the heat where I don't have to be in the greenhouse. So I'm gonna head over there.
Wow, that's a lot of weeds.
That's not weeds, that's lemon balm. There are some weeds in there. I'm trying to cut it so that there's some leaves on here, but it was kind of hard to do in the back, so I couldn't see what I was doing. But that way it'll get more, what do you call it, photosynthesis. It'll get more food from the light, sun. It should come back again. It's kind of hard to kill lemon balm.
Well, I noticed it growing in various places around the yard.
Lemon balm?
Yeah,
Or mint?
lemon balm. I'll show you some more.
Okay.
Done.
Time for a milkshake.
Yay.
No milkshake yet. I have to go get these in the dehydrator.
And then
Yeah,
Maybe.
you don't want to leave them
Or should
laying
I-
around for long.
Yeah, I don't want them to sit there and wilt.
Okay,
That's a pile.
let's move them up to the shade and I'll show you where this other bunch is.
Okay.
right over here. Look, Mom.
That's right. I think that might be more lemon balm right
Well, you want to know the difference?
between
Lemon balm and mint.
what?
If you crumple it up, smell it. It smells like lemon. It doesn't smell like peppermint. It doesn't smell like spearmint. And their leaf shape's different. Lemon balm's leaf shapes is this fat little ruffled edge. Let's go look at the peppermint and I'll show you the difference.
Yep.
So here's some mint.
This is peppermint and this is lemon balm. You see the lemon balm leaf is way bigger than the peppermint leaf. And the lemon balm has like these, reminds me of those scrapbook scissors. And then the peppermint's just short little jagged ones. And this smells like peppermint, like candy cane. And this smells like lemon. So pretty easy to tell the mints apart.
Mm-hmm.
Bye.
I'm gonna pick this up one-handed. There we go. It's already getting kind of wilty. All right. You can see it's really hot out there. I am beet red and we have our lemon balm. And now it's time to put it in the dehydrator. So this lemon balm we use for personal use. There's quite a bit here, but there is not enough for all of our tea customers. So we keep this for our personal use. So I am going to get this on the dehydrator tray.
Boy, that looks refreshing after a hot time in the garden, huh?
All right, the hard work for the day is done. It's time to drink dessert and then go make dinner. So thanks for joining us on the farm. And we will see you next time. No, you don't get any. Hey, stop. You want to say hi? Don't. Just licked my ear.